If your idea of a drone stops at just a flying camera, you're about to be amazed. This course will blow your mind with what's really under the hood. Let's take off. Get ready for a one-credit journey through the essential electronic parts of drones. No engineering degree required. We'll kick off with an overview of drone electronic systems, then dive straight into the magic of brushless motors. Powerful, efficient, built to last. You'll meet the propellers, the unsung heroes generating all that thrust, and see how they work in perfect harmony with motors. Next up, electronic speed controllers, or ESCs. These little geniuses manage your motors for smooth, precise flight. And of course, the flight controller, the real brain behind every epic drone maneuver, processing sensor data, stabilizing, keeping your drone out of trouble. Speaking of sensors, you'll discover how gyros, barometers, GPS, LiDAR keep your drone steady and smart, whether you're zipping through the park or mapping farmland. You'll also explore different drone types, nimble multi-rotors, futuristic VTOLs, plus the must-know rules and regulations that keep the skies safe. Finish the course with 5 modules, 5 quizzes, a shot at that perfect 100 points. If you score 50 or more, you pass. Ready to launch your drone knowledge to new heights? Let's get started.